Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to combine two videos using playlists in YouTube Studio. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few clicks. First, let's navigate to your content library by clicking on the Content option in the left sidebar. Now you'll see all your uploaded videos. Select the ones you'd like to merge by checking the boxes next to each video. With your videos selected, look up at the top menu bar and click on Add to Playlist. A menu will appear showing your playlists. Go ahead and select the playlist where you want these videos to play together. Perfect! Now just click Save to add those videos to your chosen playlist. Your videos are now in the playlist. To watch them merge together, just open the first video and let it play through. It'll continue automatically to the next one in the playlist. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your videos to play continuously in a playlist. Feel free to go through this walkthrough again anytime.